Hi, my name's Chloe K. Boggs, and I'm very excited to be auditioning for Sight and Sound's Samson and Moses. Thank you.
Please try to remember. It is important, everything, my whole life. You spoke to me and everything was different. You looked at me and called me by another name. You spoke of a dream and about a quest, about how you might fight, and it doesn't matter if you win or you lose as long as you follow the quest. Those are your own words. Don't you remember? You must remember. For somewhere deep inside me, there's a girl from way back when. She just needs your heart to guide me and make me see again. I remember every moment when my heart was young and free, and to my surprise I looked through your eyes, and once more I can see.
Thank you, Sight and Sound.